Today I'm going to be comparing the universal curette and the three gracey curettes. These instruments are similar in that they both go subgingivally and they all have rounded toes and blades. When instrumenting, we close towards the tooth, insert and open away from the tooth to avoid lacerating tissues. The universal curette differs from the gracey's because it can be used for the entire mouth. The relationship of the face of the blade and the terminal shank is at 90 degrees. And both sides of the blades are used for calculus removal. For the anterior teeth, we go in the direction it points in, canine to canine. For the posterior, our working end is V to the D, and our working order is the most posterior tooth, distal line angle to the distal line angle to the mesial. When finding the correct angulation for anterior teeth, we're going to be looking at the handle for correct angulation, not the terminal shank. We are starting with our universal, our B56. This is the correct. We're going to insert, distal line angle to interproximal, then we're going to flip out. And we go to distal line angle to mesial interproximal. We come out. We go back into the distal to the distal interproximal. We come back out. And we go to the mesial interproximal. For the anterior teeth, we're going to start the instrument it points in. So we're going to do insert. It's at a 90 degree. That is our away surfaces. Then we're going to turn it and go towards our toward surfaces. The gracey curettes are area specific and self-angulated. The lowest blade is 70 degrees between the face of the blade and the terminal shank. We have the gracey 1-2, which is for anterior teeth. We have the gracey 11-12 for the posterior mesial, and we have gracey 13-14 for posterior distal surfaces. The gracey 1-2 curette is for anterior teeth. It has 2 blades, one on each end. To find the correct working end, we would do bump to tooth or the Pac-Man. The working order is canine to canine in the direction the instrument points in. For the gracey 1-2, we are doing anterior teeth. We're going to do a bump to the tooth, and that shows us the direction we point in. So, we insert, come in. We're doing our toward surfaces, come out. We will flip it and do our away surfaces after. We're doing canine to canine and canine to canine. For the gracey 13-14, we start off finding the correct working end. So that is not it. We're going to go here. There we go, V to the D. So, and these are area specific. So we're going to go in, right? Distal line angle. Up to the distal interproximal. Come back out. We're going to go to the distal line angle. and back out to the distal. Then we're going to grab our 11-12. For the gracey 11-12, we're starting V to the D, lowest blade. I'm sorry, it's the lowest blade. We're going to insert it, open towards the tooth, and a rock to mesial into proximal. Come back out, we insert distal line angle, roll, mesial into proximal.